How do I set accepted pay types? To start, we will click on the System option in the Encore menu. We will then navigate to the Sales tab at the top of the screen and click on the Pay Types section button. Disabling payment types here will make it so that they are not available to accept on the sales screen when adding payments to an invoice. If there is a payment option you do not accept, you can uncheck it here. Most of the payment types are self-explanatory, however, we will review the foreign and other pay types. The foreign pay type is used when accepting foreign currency. If you accept foreign currency, you will need to set the default exchange rate. This is the default applied when you select foreign as the pay type on an invoice. This can be done by going to the General section and setting the default exchange rate on Payments area. We suggest setting this to the exchange rate of the most common type of foreign currency you accept. Navigate back to the Pay Types area. The other pay type can be used for anything that doesn't fit in the listed pay type categories. You are able to enter a description each time you use the other pay type to show what it was used for. Click Save once you have finished editing pay types. You can then navigate to the Sales area to see the changes applied. Click Add New to start a new invoice. Choose a client and employee, then add a service to the invoice, then click Pay in the bottom left area. You will now only see the payment types that you have left enabled. We are now finished setting accepted pay types. Thanks for watching.